Best Free Screen Recorder Apps with No Watermark 2025 list. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best free screen recorder apps you can use in 2025 with absolutely no watermark. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First one is ScreenRec, Windows and Mac. ScreenRec is lightweight, super fast, and doesn't add any watermark, even in the free version. You can record your screen, webcam, and even get instant shareable links. Next is OBS Studio, Windows, Mac, Linux. OBS is totally free and open source. It's perfect for screen recording and live streaming with no watermark or time limits. It does have a bit of a learning curve, but it's powerful once you get used to it. Next is Xbox Game Bar, Windows 10 and 11. If you're using a Windows PC, Xbox Game Bar is built in and free. It's mainly for recording gameplay, but works great for any app screen. No watermarks, no installs needed. Next is Loom, Windows, Mac, Chrome. Loom is awesome for recording quick tutorials or walkthroughs. Free version allows up to 5 minutes per video with no watermark, and it saves everything to the cloud automatically. Next is phone and Android built-in recorders. Both iOS and Android phones now come with built-in screen recorders that add no watermark. Just enable it in your control center or quick settings and hit record. So if you're looking to record clean videos for tutorials, games, or work, these apps will do the job perfectly without leaving a watermark. Let me know in the comments which one you'll try first, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more free tools and tips. That's all for the video.